Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by matching interfaces. Check whether your keyboard outputs MIDI DIN or USB MIDI, because that determines the cable and adapter you need. Next, plug a known good cable from the keyboard to the V8 input, MIDI DIN to MIDI or USB to the V8 USB port, and connect power to both devices. Once done, set the V8's input selector to the corresponding source so the board is listening. This early alignment prevents signal mismatch and saves time during troubleshooting. Now you configure routing and levels. Set the V8 input gain near unity and watch the input LEDs while playing to avoid clipping. If using MIDI, ensure both keyboard and V8 share the same MIDI channel. If USB, confirm the V8 recognizes the keyboard as a device. Route the keyboard's audio or MIDI to audio channel to the V8 channel you want, headphone, main out, or streaming bus, and adjust EQ or effects sparingly. Make a quick test recording or monitor to verify clean signal and timing. Finish by doing a full functional check. Record a short test take and listen for latency, clipping, or missing notes. If you hear nothing, immediately recheck cables, confirm the V8 input mode, and verify MIDI channel assignment. Simple misrouting is the most common culprit. If performance issues remain, try a different cable, test the keyboard on another interface, and use the V8 factory reset as a last resort. That step often clears configuration conflicts and restores proper communication between devices.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.